Poached eggs are delicious, healthy and versatile. From eggs Benedict to salads, poached eggs can elevate any dish. However, poaching an egg can be a little tricky, but fear not. Step 1. Prepare your equipment. The first step to poaching eggs is to prepare your equipment. You will need a medium-sized pot, a slotted spoon, and a bowl of cold water. Fill the pot with water and bring it to a boil. Step 2. Crack the egg into a bowl. Crack the egg into a small bowl, making sure that the yolk is intact. This will help to keep the egg together when it is poached. Step 3. Create a whirlpool. Once the water has come to a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and create a whirlpool in the water by stirring it with a spoon. This will help to keep the egg together when it is poached. Step 4. Add the egg to the water. Carefully lower the bowl with the egg into the center of the whirlpool. The swirling water will help to wrap the egg white around the yolk. Step 5. Cook the egg. Allow the egg to cook for about 2-3 minutes, or until the egg white is set and the yolk is still runny. Use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the egg from the water and transfer it to the bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process. Step 6. Serve. Your poached egg is now ready to serve. You can serve it on toast, with avocado, or use it to top your favorite dish. Congratulations, you have now mastered the art of poaching eggs.